Hey guys, how's it going? You're probably looking right now and saying to yourself, Paul, you are not dressed the normal way that you normally dress, like the dyslexic artist or the dyslexic hippie. You look more like some guy who works at a zoo. And that is correct. I do work at a zoo. I work at a great zoo, Little Ray's Reptile Zoo. And we got some great people to work there, and they love the animals. And they love their animals a lot. And just like everybody else, I love my lizards, and this particular scaly little friend of mine is not a snake. And one of the things I love to do is to educate people. You see, if we were to look at the side of my little friend here, you'd notice that he has ear holes and eyelids. He's a European legless lizard. And I've had him for the last 10 years, so I take care of him. But we have our animals at our zoo, and they need a lot of care. So the people have been going in and making sure that they're well taken care of. But the zoo is closed, since we unfortunately have that little pandemic situation going on. So at this particular time, the zoo has reached out to ask us if you guys wouldn't mind helping us a little bit by donating to our GoFundMe page. And basically what that does is it allows people who are working at the zoo to get paid, right? Doesn't help the big bosses, just the little people, right? The people who put their time and effort in there. Also, it makes sure that the animals have the hydro and everything that they need, all the cleaning and all that done. See, there's a lot behind a zoo than just what you see, right? And all these animals are animals that are rescue animals. Remember, Little Ray's Reptile Zoo is one of the largest or the largest reptile rescue zoos in North America. So all these animals get love and they get taken care of. There's vets that come in, and they're still coming in, and we still have to make sure that the standards for the animals are up to the highest part. But for ourselves, we can hang out and eat Kraft macaroni dinner if we have to. But the animals, they need to be taken care of. So please, send in your little bits that you can. If you can do that, that would be great. We'd love that. Also, it'll be in the description, so make sure that you look it up. Check it out, GoFundMe page. I think they're at $30,000 already, which will make sure that the animals get fed well and everything gets done well. Okay, guys? So, I did a coloring page, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And just remember, our little scaly friends need love too. How's it going? So, it's Paul Kennedy, the Reptile Man, the zookeeper guy. Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed my little coloring page there. And as I was saying, the zoo is looking at a GoFundMe page. What, again, as I've said before, helps people who are working with the animals directly. Okay? Now, the other thing, too, is that there are other organizations out there, and they're all the same situation, and they're all trying to make sure that their animals are kept at the best situation possible. So make sure that you also let them know that they are doing a great job. Now, what do you think, buddy? So, as I said, the thing is that some of the zoos are also offering things like Zoom, right, which you can actually watch a virtual show. And that's kind of cool, because that makes me think of the old days, right? Steve Irwin, young guys like Coyote Peterson, who are out there working and bringing those animals into us so that we can enjoy them and understand them, because not everybody can go outside. And right now, that's the thing. You get to still see about nature and its love and the people who love them, right? And that really does come across sometimes on the screen. I hope that it does anyways. And as I say, I love my little buddy, right? He's been my friend for a long time. I just like his uniqueness. And I just love all the reptiles, alligators, whatever it is, doesn't matter to me. I love going out as a young guy catching garter snakes. And going on for such a long time, and not just blah, 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 blah. But what I really want to do is let you guys know that we're still there, right? And that those zoos that are out there wanting to make sure that you really understand the animals. And so many different little organizations, right? So make sure that they know. For us, we need a little help maybe, and we would appreciate that. So thank you so much, guys. Say so long to my little friend. I just love his face. He's like, oh, this is so serious. I don't know what he's doing. What's this all about? That's the thing. The animals don't know what it's all about. See you later, guys. Love ya.